morning. So here's another proposal. Hopefully my battery doesn't die out by the time I'm done with it. This one is basically having a climate fighter department or something like that. So what this department would do is basically you would train the people not in just one specific area, but you train them in handling all sorts of natural disasters that are getting more common in Australia. Floods, they are used to handling floods, doing search and rescue missions, cleaning out the debris, helping out with post-flood problems as well as pre-flood situations, handling drainage or spreading awareness, things like that. In case of forest fires, they are learned in managing those. They are qualified in that area. I mean, you train them for managing forest fires as well, cleaning the underbush or doing whatever different precautionary steps or fire management steps that firefighters take, as well as perhaps lifeguard or taking other uh, climate promotion steps like replanting, afforestation programs, or cleaning out the ocean, the plastics and stuff like that. Basically, it could be something like during the times when there are disasters happening, they are adept at handling all sorts of disasters, where it is search and rescue of people during floods, where it's rescuing animals during wildfires or preventing fires or handling things post-fire, cleaning up stuff. I mean, they should be able to handle lots of such things, as well as where during the time there are no floods, they take conservation as well as rebuilding the nature and ideas promoting. They take steps to promote that, planting new trees, helping out with corals or working in breeding programs, conservation programs, whatever the case. There are so many things a person can do, but these would actually be paid people employed by the government or something along those lines. That's just one idea. But yeah, this is a specific team that is built solely for the reason of handling these issues that are becoming more prevalent. I believe, and you could spend more funding on this area. That was my idea, because in the case of, let's just say, you might spend more on floods, but then you might have to spend more on firefighting areas as well. Focusing on different designated departments is good and all, but I believe it would be a bit more easier to handle and manage things when there's just one group of people which can handle all of these issues, and you can just delegate things to them. They're adept at handling different scenarios basically, instead of just specializing in one. And I mean, soldiers do that all the time, prepared for anything, so that can certainly be done. And yeah, that is certainly something that Australia could really use during these times, and would also make things a lot more simpler to manage.